Hello folks, got this done in Porsche. It's been in a few times where we've done a full soundproof and bits and bobs on it. It's come in now. We've been waiting for this particular radio from Porsche. Took 3 months to come, but here we go. It plugs into the fiber optic. It's one of their PCM classic replacements. Yeah, fits well, looks good. Apple CarPlay works very well. Weather.
It is currently cloudy and 17 degrees. Today, as high will be 18 and the low will be 13 degrees.
Thank you, Siri. Anyway, so swipes pretty good. All of Apple CarPlay as usual. We can click home and you've got your normal built-in nav, which is more, well, it's gone to Apple CarPlay, but it has a Pioneer style navigation system in there as well, which I'll show you in a sec. You got car data, so you've lost nothing, your trip computer. Now this particular car didn't come with DAB because it was early, but now with the extra boosters and aerial conversion, it's also now got DAB. So overall, it keeps the car looking as original as possible. Let me pull that out. Got a USB there, got mapping there, got DAB. You haven't lost anything, but you're back, bringing the car back up to date. Yeah, we gotta say we really like this unit. These units are available from Porsche, but we do the installation for Porsche. So there we go. Let's see if the nav is back. Yep, and that is the sort of Pioneer based style navigation that's built into the unit. Something like this interests you, give us a shout. This is our second one of the week. We don't post every one, but we'll try and get everyone's that I remember that I can do. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.